to a new video, and this is the look I'll be doing for you guys today. It's a simple smoky eye, and I say simple because I've only used 3 eyeshadows: crease, outer V, lids. That's it, and the primer. So if you guys are interested in this simple 3-step smoky eye, then continue watching. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do the simplest smoky eye, like smoky eye for like you're running late but you still want to look put together. So I did one eye off camera, so I'm going to show you how to do it on this eye. And I kind of made a mistake, like I was doing another video and I changed it, so that's why under here look like that, but I'll fix it at the end. So the palette, the only palette I'll be using in this video is the MUA palette by Colourpop. This is what it looks like, and I used 3 shades. So first what you need is a fluffy brush, something like this. And we're going to go into the cool tone brown, this brown right here. I'm just going to put that in the crease. Now that we have that, we're going to use a primer, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Primer eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow primer, and this is black. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the lids. And then use another blending brush to blend out the black on the lids. You're bringing that up to the crease, you're not passing the crease with this primer. Alright, we're going to go in with the brown shade. The brown shade here, and we're going to put that in the crease and the outer V. And then with the eyeshadow brush, going in with the green. So this is where you can use any color you want. You can use purple, gold, silver, blue, green, any shimmery color that you like. You can apply it in this area, because the smoky effect is on the outer V and in the crease, just like this one. So just going to put this 2/3 of the way. And when I'm placing my eyeshadow, I like to start at the center of my lids and then work my way into the inner corner. And that is your simple smoky eye. 3 shadows and you're done. So I'm just going to line my eyes, fix up under here, and come right back. So, you know, finish up the lips and so forth. So for blush, I'm just going to go into the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette by Juvia's. And I'm taking this shade right here, putting it on my cheeks. Just a little bit. And for glow, I'm just going to take the 2 glows in this palette and glow up a little bit. Because this tutorial isn't really about glow on the face, but about the smoky eyes and how simple it is to get a little, you know, like a quick smoky. First, I'm using these 2 glows together, and they look nice. for lips, okay, I'm going in with Laura Pro Black Cherry. This is a dark lipstick. I mean, I want to do a dark lip because it is fall to winter. It's supposed to be winter already. I don't know, my season's like that with it, but I'm really feeling a dark lip. So you have a smoky eye and a dark lip. People tend to not like that, but I want it. So I'm going to go in with this lippy, and it is a matte lipstick. So guys, this is the final look. As I say, it's a simple smoky eye, just 3 shadows and you're good to go. It might take a little bit practice, so you can probably practice the night before your event, or you know, if you really want to go with a smoky eye, you can practice a couple days before, so you get it done, because all it has to do with is blending to give that smoky effect. And one palette, like I hardly use one palette to do a look, so I'm really proud of myself for just using one palette. And guys, I love this lippy, but as I said, it might not be for everybody. So if you're doing a smoky eye, you can go with, it depends on the color on your eyes, you can go with like a red or a nude or some pinky or mauve, up to you. So this is it guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below and leave a nice little comment. Let me know how your Christmas is going, how your December is going, and what you're looking forward to for Christmas. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video.